Nothing better than a Monday morning with beautiful fabrics. And so we're going to do it for you because these are stunning. All cottons except silk and a poly cotton blend. They're just really beautiful. The texture of this is lovely, lovely for a little jacket, skirt, little sheath dress, cape, so many things this will do. You can see both sides are usable, 100% cotton, woven, just lovely. These are all Rachel Comey. This is a knit, a white knit, and as you can see, one thing that's killer about white knit is you don't want it to be so thin. It has stretch in both directions, 100% cotton, beautiful drape. Look at the drape on this, it's just gorgeous. So for a nice little white t-shirt, you got it. This is 100% cotton. Isn't that gorgeous? Just beautiful. You can see that both sides are usable. It's a woven, lovely little whatever. This is a panel. So this colors right now, these colors together, Acris, if you look at well, you can't see it online, it's only in the store, but there's a beautiful tunic that they did out of a square like this. This is Rachel Comey, 100% silk, but the panel is about 1 yard. Beautiful piece of fabric. You could just do something very stunning. If you use the pattern and for the wrap in 4222, that rectangle, you could accomplish this and it would be so beautiful. One in the front, one in the back. Oh, take your breath away. And you can see it just blends with this if you decide to do a little skirt out of this or a pair of pants, either way. This is a cotton poly, but mostly cotton, and again, thin, but just beautiful. It's not real thick and heavy. And then coordinating with it is this really beautiful, it's kind of a light teal. You can see that color is all through here. This is 100% cotton. Again, just a beautiful piece of fabric. Thin, light, great drape. Oh, it's just gorgeous. So I don't know what to tell you, but this is the best way to make your Monday morning a bit better. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.